Hey guys, got a new video here. Today we're unboxing the GorillaPod 5K kit, which is this thing, which looks really good. I bought it off Amazon. Yep. It's for vlogging, vlogging and stuff. You can handheld it. Looks really cool. Right, let's get to opening this then. Give me a minute, guys. Need to figure out how to open this. Oh, there we go. Okay, so we're gonna open this. First thing we greeted to is probably the instruction manual for it. Yeah. Has social media accounts like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Google+. Yep. 5K kit. Wow, that's pretty cool. Shows you how to use it. Set it up to your camera. 5K kit. So probably won't need that. I'm going to get to the main of it. Okay, so this is the tripod. Wow, that's pretty cool. It's got ball head and stuff on there. Yep. So that's pretty cool. Feels really sturdy and stuff. Very sturdy. I think it's come with anything else in the box. No. So yep. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video.